We now want a method to get all of the contacts that are in the database. We'll call that getContacts, and it's going to return an enumerable of contact. We're going to once again lock down the code, and we're going to find all of the data using a link statement. So we say from C in database, find the table contact, and select C. That'll select every member of that table, and we'll call toList on that. In order to call toList, we're going to need to add system link. We now have a list of every contact in the table, and we can return that, and that completes getContacts. We now want to be able to get a single contact by ID, so getContact takes an ID and returns a contact, and that's pretty straightforward. We're going to once again use our locker, and we're going to reach into the table of contacts, and once again we're going to use a link statement, and here we're going to look for a match on the ID that was passed in. Once we have that match, we call first or default and return that to the calling method. Continuing with our CRUD operations, we're up to delete. This will delete a contact by ID, and the syntax here is fairly similar to that for getting a contact by ID. We call delete on type of contact and pass the ID.